What's up guys, my name is Idan, welcome to How Much YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you exactly how I made so far in 2 weeks selling the return pallet full of gaming computers. In my last video you saw how I bid, won, unbox and fix the computers from directliquidation.com, and now this is a video I'm going to show you how I sell them and how much exactly I made selling them on eBay and in person for the gaming computers. Before we start this video, I want to thank today's sponsors, Akaso Brave 6 Plus action camera. It's 4K. I actually used it for this video when I recorded myself selling it. It's actually packed with features. It has image stabilization and it works really well. It actually came with 2 batteries and a dual charger right off the box, and of course bunch of accessories such as waterproof case, but a lot more. I really like the fact that it has a screen in the back where you can see what you filmed before and you can change on the settings right there, so that's a big plus. And it's under 120 bucks. It really is a GoPro Hero killer. And I actually got rid of my GoPro. Better for me to just sell it. I had the GoPro 4 and this one just works so much better already. If you're interested in this product, check the link below for the Akaso Brave 6 Plus. The first thing I did is actually sell all the expensive computers, by the way. So the one I fixed, the 10 gaming computers, that was my focus. I didn't do any eBay stuff. So I actually listed them on OfferUp and Facebook Marketplace, and I'll show you guys how I did it right now. On the Facebook app, this is an Android, I'm gonna go to Marketplace and click on Sell. And then I'm gonna click on Items. And now this is the time for me to start adding up the products. And let's start by title. So I have the specs here in front of me. CyberPower i7 8700. I'm gonna go put it a little bit higher and then I'm gonna go lower from there. So this one is probably like a $600 computer. I'm gonna list it for $700 just to see what's happening. If I don't get any response, I'm gonna keep lowering it down. I'm gonna basically tell them that they can upgrade their RAM and their hard drives for a little bit more money because I still have so many of them. I'll tell them like, hey, 30 bucks, I'll add another 8 gigs of stick of RAM for you. 30 bucks, I'll add another 1 terabyte of hard drive. So I'm gonna add that to the description of all of them, copy paste pretty much. Now let's see what other platforms can we list this on other than Facebook Marketplace. There's a lot of different apps out there to use. I actually really like OfferUp. I already have the photos, so I'm gonna use the same photos that I got before, and I'm not gonna waste my time writing everything. I'm gonna copy paste it. So I listed 4 products and waited an hour to see what happens before I continue listing more. And look at that. One of our listings already got 98 views, a lot of views. So it seems the price is pretty good. It gets a lot of eyes. So total, I got like 300 views in 1 hour. This is like as much as I get on YouTube almost. So it's a lot of people interested. I even got a few people asking questions. So Anthony asked me if I take 500 bucks. I asked him if that's a final answer. He said yes. So I already got the $500 offer on the Ryzen 5 3600 16 gigs with the 1060. You know what guys? I think this is a perfect opportunity to use the Jackery 500. This is enough power here to power the gaming computer plus a monitor, so then I can actually show people how the computer works before I sell it. So I'm gonna use this when I meet with the people, plug it in, show them, hey look, it works, I have a screen too, it works and everything, and then they can check it up and confirm it. And here's a bunch of videos I made. Every time I sold it, I recorded myself to kind of show you the process and my experience with it. 2 of them actually was off the camera, but here is the video of me selling the computers and getting him cash. I got $780 out of the computer. He got i7 8700 from Intel. He got a GTX 1070. It's in amazing condition. 1 terabyte hard drive, 240 gigabyte SSD. It's only day number 2. I didn't even finish listing all of them. I just finished another sale. I sold another computer for $650. That was the Ryzen 5 3600 with a 1060 6 gigabyte. He also has 16 gigs of RAM. It's a pretty good computer, pretty good deal for both of us, so I didn't negotiate at all. Full price. Alright guys, I just made another sale. $760 for one of my best computers I got. 1070, it was an i7 8700, 16 gigs of RAM, 240 gigabyte SSD, 1 terabyte hard drive. I also gave him an extra 1 terabyte hard drive. We negotiated. Curtis right here, we just made a good deal, right? So $760 bucks. I'll see you guys next time. See you next time. Bye. I just sold another computer on Facebook Marketplace. This one was 440 bucks. I listed it as 450. It has a 1050 inside. There's a Ryzen 2400G, 8 gigs of RAM. I gave him an extra hard drive and he closed the deal. Perfect. I only have a couple computers left. Let's go. All right, guys, I sold for $700. It has 16 gigs of RAM, 1070, i7, 5700, 240 SSD, and 1 terabyte hard drive. A pretty nice computer. I didn't like the case. The guy said, I don't care about the case. He just wanted the stuff inside. So I was happy to get rid of that case. It's pretty ugly. In total, we sold $5,200 worth of computers in about 2 weeks. I still have 2 that I did not manage to sell yet. Upload better pictures. My pictures are horrible. So after I upload better pictures, I think I can sell them. And my average was actually a little bit higher than we thought. In the beginning, I said that I'm gonna make about $6,000 on 10 computers, so averaging $600 per computer. I was actually averaging $650 per computer. So I was a little bit off. I was actually getting more than what I thought. Now let's move over to eBay. eBay was actually doing phenomenal. A lot of the products are a lot higher than what I thought. In the beginning, I thought the motherboards maybe would be $40 each, but they ended up to be $150 each. It was crazy. Some of them are $130 and $80. Very, very impressive. In total, I sold about 23 products so far, totaling $1,429 in total. But of course, this is before shipping and fees. So what I do, I actually deduct 30% of my sales to cover eBay fees, PayPal fees, and shipping. So after that, it's about $1,000 profit from eBay in those 2 weeks that I've been selling them. So in total, we made about $6,200 so far from this pallet. I still have 2 gaming computers. By the way, I have other computers that are not even close to selling. Those $100 computers, I don't know, nobody really cared about them. I might just take them all apart and sell them for parts. I think I might be able to make more money than try to sell them like really cheap $100 computers. Now, for the winner, like I promised last video, I'm gonna choose a winner and I'm gonna give you guys a video card for my own computer. So this is my personal video card. Let's go ahead and open up Instagram and together we're gonna choose a winner. Thank you so much, guys, for joining my Instagram and following me there. And now let's see who's gonna win. All right, guys, here we go. So they're all loaded up in here. You can see kind of like live. All right, so let's just choose. I'm just gonna close my eyes and randomly just swipe up and down and then select someone. Poop. All right, we got Chabuki. All right, man, you won. I'm gonna comment right now. If you don't answer, someone else is gonna get it. So good job. Thank you so much for following me on Instagram. And that's it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, check out Akaso action camera, the Brave 6. This is actually like a GoPro 8 killer and it's only $100 something bucks. So check it in the link below. Thank you so much for sponsoring this video. If you like this video, leave a like. If you are new to this channel and if you like stuff like that, subscribe and comment below. What do you think I should do my next video? But buy and sell stuff. I really like this kind of things. I want to show you my own experience trying to make money online and even, you know, out there in the field. So leave a comment below and I'll try to make videos about what you choose. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.